Hi Flint Teens, Chef Tina coming to you from my kitchen at home. I am just going to do a little tutorial on how we're going to cut our potato. So I have washed my potato. I'm going to put a damp paper towel down and then place my cutting board on top of it. That way it keeps it from slipping while we're cutting. We're going to find the best side of the potato so it's on the flattest side, so it's not rolling around on our cutting board. So we're going to pinch the potato to hold it in place. I'm going to put the blade in between my fingers and then slice in half. Flip it over on the flat side. And then we want to cut it into potato wedges. So if you've ever had those like really cool wide French fries, that's what we want. So you can cut it in half and then cut from the sides. So we're gonna cut it into 4. You always wanna make sure that the blade is in between your fingers when you're holding your potato like that. So once we get them into potato wedges like that, we're gonna cut them smaller. You can do as many pieces as you feel comfortable. So if you wanna do 1 piece at a time, that's fine. If you wanna do 2 pieces at a time, that's fine. If you wanna go all 4 at a time, that's totally up to you and your comfortability with your knife. So then we're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces like that. You might cut them into 4, you might cut them into 3, it just depends on the size of your potato. I'm doing 4 right now. I've got a medium potato. And the goal is always to make it about the same size, make all the pieces close to the same size so they cook at the same rate. So we're going to take all of our potatoes. You can toss them in olive oil in your bowl to get them started, or whatever kind of vessel you have. Put them on a baking sheet and let them roast. If you have any questions, please reach out to Miss Sarah, send an email, and she will be sending like a little diagram of pictures so you can have like a better angle of the cuts. And we will see you in class. Have a great night.